An extremely popular choice is our 2016 Holden Commodore VF Evoque in Slipstream Blue. Alloy wheels all round, window tint, and presents awesome in blue. These have been a really popular car throughout the years among Australian families, companies and the like. There's a good reason that could be the next vehicle for you. Huge room in the boot, fitted with a tow bar already. Alloy wheels all round. Really tidy looking car. At well under $20,000 is really good value. Nice comfy cloth interior with loads and loads of room as well. Keep everyone comfortable. We do obviously have full Bluetooth functionality as well through the whole MyLink system. So Bluetooth, obviously the radio, plenty more. Keep you going while you're on the road, keep you connected, and keep you safe obviously as well. Dual zone climate control is standard. Automatic as well, so basically set and forget it, let it do its thing. Have got electric park brake. It'll turn off basically when you jump into drive. You do have parking sensors all around as well. The car will even park itself, so that's definitely something we can show you on the test drive. We do have, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, cruise control, and on the right-hand side, controls for your audio. So there's plenty to love about the VF Evoque. So click the link through to get in touch with one of our friendly sales staff for any more information. We'll be able to answer any questions you've got regarding the 2016 Holden Commodore VF Evoque.